Let's do it.
Hi friends, today we're gonna do stabilizer links on a 2010 Chevy Tahoe. The plate is if you drive over a pothole, you hear like a little rattling noise under there. And also when you take the curve, you feel like the car kind of sways a little. That's the purpose of these right here. They're called sway bar links or stabilizer links. And that's what the new one looks like. Let me show you the damage. This is the factory one. It's a common problem because it's made out of plastic, some kind of fiberglass or something like that. So as you see, this is the rattle noise that the customer is hearing right now. So we're gonna change these right here. And it's really simple. You're gonna need a 15-inch wrench. In the socket, you can use any regular ratchet or another wrench. We have air tools, so we're going to use our power air ratchet. And put it right there. Going to hold it at the up end and at the top. At the top, you're going to pull the bolt in the middle that holds it in place. Turn off. And that's what it looks like. That's the broken. Now, this new one, if you see, is made out of metal. So that's going to last a lot longer. So we're going to put it inside. And this is the way this has to go. So we're going to put everything apart. First, one washer, then you're going to put the rubber part, you're going to stick it in here. The next part is going to be another rubber part, and you're going to put a washer, then this little tube, there's another washer, then there's another rubber part. I gotta tell you, it's easier if you loosen both sides at the same time. Another rubber on top of it. Then we're going to put a washer and then the nut. Just hand tight it like that, and don't tighten it up yet until you do the other side. So let's go to the other side. Alright, so on this side we're going to do the same thing. Brand new one, we're going to take it apart. We have just the screw or the bolt, I mean. Okay, so we're going to put a washer. Then notice on the bushing, one side is fatter than the other. So you want to put always the fatter part towards the washer. So we're going to go like that. Then we're going to put it on the control arm. Another rubber with the skinny part facing down. bushing. And just kind of pull it up a little bit. There we go. That. Then another bushing. And the washer. And then the nut. Okay, at this point, what we're going to do, then you put the last one, you put the nut, and then we're going to tie it up, okay? Hold it. How much to tie it up, you're going to see the little bushes get fatter. Once again, a little bit outer from the washer, that means it's really tight. It doesn't have to be all the way to the top. This side. Stabilizer leaks or sway bar leaks. That's a common problem on Chevys because they're made out of plastic. The bottom should go away after the okay? So, thank you very much.
I'm the king of the trap, L Chopper. I'm the king of the trap.